Hello students, today we start series of trigonometry. This is very important for class 9, 10, 11 and 12, also in competition. So students, let me start this series. Trigonometry. Students, trigonometry concluded by three Greek words. First is tri, means three. Second is gon, means sides. Gon means sides. And third one is metric, means measurement. So we can say that trigonometry is a measurement of three sides. Then students, first concept in trigonometry is angle measurement. Angle measurement is what? If we measure angle from x-axis in anti-clockwise direction, then this becomes always be positive. ये हमेशा क्या होगा? Positive होगा. In other hand, if we measure the angle in a clockwise direction, then this becomes always be negative. For example, this is an angle plus 45 in anti-clockwise direction, and this one is minus 45 degree in clockwise direction. It's a basic fundamental of angle measurement. Then students, second, measurement system. Measurement system. Measurement system. There are three types of system we use measure the angle. First one is sexagesimal. First one is sexagesimal system. First one is sexagesimal system. Students, sexagesimal system means if we measure the angle in degree. If we measure the angle in degree, we use this sexagesimal system. This is a one revolution, a complete revolution. This is a center. If we divide equally 360 part of this revolution, then one section becomes 1 degree. One section becomes 1 degree. In other hand, we can say that 1 degree equals to 1 upon 360 part of 1 revolution. 1 revolution means कि इस एक रिवोल्यूशन का 1 अपॉन 360 जो पार्ट होगा वो क्या होगा? 1 डिग्री के बराबर होगा. नेक्स्ट, सेकेंड वन इज centesimal. Second one is centesimal. Centesimal system. Centesimal system means ये बहुत कम यूज होता है, बट इसको देख लेते हैं, कॉम्पिटिशन में काम आ सकता है. इसको मेजर करते हैं हम लोग ग्रेड में. इसमें ग्रेड में सपोज this is a one revolution. if we divide in 400 equal parts, 400 equal parts, then one part becomes 1 grade. One part becomes 1 grade. In other hand, 1 grade equals to 1 upon 400 part of 1 revolution. 1 revolution. Okay, students. Next is circular system. Next is circular system. Next is circular system. Next is circular system. In circular system, if we measure the angle in radian, if we measure the angle in radian, then we use circular system. This is a complete 1 revolution. This is a straight line from the center. Suppose this is A, B and C. So 1 radian is what? 1 radian equals to straight angle ABC, straight angle ABC upon pi. Straight angle ABC means 180 degree. 1 radian equals to 180 upon pi. 180 upon pi. तो इस तरह से हमने 3 सिस्टम पढ़े. कौन कौन से? सेक्साडेसिमल, सेंटेसिमल और सर्कुलर सिस्टम. अब स्टूडेंट्स आइए देखते हैं इनमें रिलेशन क्या है. relation between systems. Relation between systems. Okay. सेक्साडेसिमल मीन्स क्या है आपका? 1 रिवोल्यूशन मीन्स 360 डिग्री. सेंटेसिमल ग्रेड मीन्स क्या है? 400 ग्रेड. 400 ग्रेड. एंड सर्कुलर मीन्स 1 revolution means 2 pi. 1 revolution means 2 pi. If you divided by 4 and 4, this becomes 90 degree. This becomes 100 grade and this becomes pi by 2. This is degree, this is in grade and this is in radian. So students, relation between degree and radian is what? 90 degree equals to pi by 2 radian. Radian is shown by C because it's a circular system. So 1 degree equals to pi upon 2 into 90. This becomes pi upon 180 radian. And 1 radian equals to, इसको इस तरह भेज देंगे तो 1 radian equals to 180 upon pi, जैसे रिवर्स हो जाएगा डिग्री. तो इस तरह से ये आपका रिलेशन हो जाता है. अब स्टूडेंट्स इसको समझने के लिए एक प्रॉब्लम देखते हैं. Question number 1. Convert the following in degree. Convert the following in degree. A. 2 pi. B. Pi by 3. C. 2 pi by 3. कन्वर्ट करना है किसमें? डिग्री में. दिया किसमें है? रेडियन में. क्वेश्चन नंबर ए. 2 पाई इंटू डिग्री में कन्वर्ट करने क्या करेंगे? 180 अपॉन पाई से इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. किससे कर देंगे? 180 अपॉन पाई से. पाई पाई कैंसिल. दिस बिकम्स 360 डिग्री. बी पार्ट. This is pi by 3, okay, and pi by 3 is radian. Then multiply by 180 upon 3. Sorry, 180 upon pi. Pi is cancel. 3, 6. This becomes 60 degree. And last one, C. 2 pi upon 3. 2 pi upon 3. Multiply by 180 upon pi. Pi is cancel. 6. This becomes 120 degree. So students, इस तरह से हम क्या करेंगे? We convert the radian in degree. Okay. Next question. Convert. Next question. Convert following in radian. A. 90 degree. B. 180 degree. C. 720 degree. Firstly, A part. A part is what? 90 degree. Students, in radian we multiply by pi upon 180. Pi upon 180. So pi upon 180. 0. This becomes pi by 2 radian. This is denoted by C because it's a circular system. B is what? 180 degree. 180 degree multiply by pi upon 180. 180 180 cancel. This becomes pi radian. C part is what? 720 degree. 720 divided by pi upon 180 रेडियन. तो स्टूडेंट्स, इस तरह से हम सारे प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं रेडियन टू डिग्री एंड डिग्री टू रेडियन. इसे नोट कर लीजिए. Now next topic is trigonometric ratio of complementary angle. Next topic is trigonometric ratio of complementary angle. Firstly, we introduce about complementary. Complementary means if two angle, if two angle, if two angle theta 1 and theta 2 are complementary each other, then theta 1 plus theta 2 equals to 90. For example, if two angle theta 1 and theta 2 is complementary to each other and theta 1 equals to 60 degree, then find value of theta 2. So by using complementary concept, theta 1 plus theta 2 equals to 90 and theta 2 equals to theta 1 is 60, so this becomes 90 minus 60 means 30 degree. So this is a concept of complementary angle. So our topic is trigonometric ratio of complementary angle. Students, let him start. This is a right angle triangle A, B and C. There are three sides. Suppose this is angle theta. This is right angle means 90 degree. So students, in the front of theta, this is always be perpendicular. This is perpendicular and side of angle with 90 degrees base and in front of 90 degree, this is a hypotenuse. This is a hypotenuse. So students, base, perpendicular and hypotenuse. In other hand, suppose we consider this angle, then at that condition what will happen? Okay, this is 90 degree, so in front of 90 degree this is hypotenuse, this is hypotenuse. 90 degree and angle, this is become base and front of angle is perpendicular. So at that condition, perpendicular base are interchanged. So this is depends on theta. Okay students, so we start trigonometric ratio. First is sine theta. First one is sine theta. Sine theta is what? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means P upon H. This is H, this is B, this is P. Other trigonometric ratio, cos theta is what? Cos theta is what? Base upon hypotenuse means B upon H, and tan theta is what? Perpendicular upon base means P upon B. P upon B. This is a trigonometric ratio. If we talk about in other trigonometric ratio, this is cosec theta. cosec theta. Cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta, so reverse the value, then this becomes hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Sec theta. Sec theta is what? It's a reciprocal of cos theta, then reverse the value, then this becomes b upon h. And cot theta is reciprocal of the tan theta, then reverse the value, then this becomes b upon c. So we learn only three trigonometric ratios: sine, cos and tan. Then cosec, sec and cot is directly introduced by using this three trigonometric ratio. Okay students, तो इसकी एक दो प्रॉब्लम्स करते हैं तो उससे आपका और क्लियर होगा कि हाउ कैन वी यूज दिस टाइप ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो. Question. Find the value of sin theta and sec theta. Sin theta and sec theta. This is 3, this is 4. A, B and C. This is a angle theta. So this is a base, this is a perpendicular, this is a hypotenuse. So students, sin theta equals to what? Sin theta equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, means P upon H, but P is 3 and H is not given, so we find H by using Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem is what? Hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. So here we use by using Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equals to base square plus perpendicular square. So hypotenuse square equals to base is 4 square and 3 square. This becomes 16 plus 9 becomes 25. Then hypotenuse equals to under root 25 and this becomes 5. So sin theta equals to P upon H. Sin theta equals to P upon H. P is 3 and H is 5. Sec theta. Sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta. So cos theta equal to B upon H. Then sec theta is hypotenuse upon base, H upon B. Then H equals to what? 5 and B becomes student 4. So we can calculate all trigonometric ratio like this. I hope so कि आपको